Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best countertop dishwasher to save time, water, and kitchen space? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best countertop dishwashers that deliver impressive cleaning performance, compact designs, and excellent value. Whether you live in an apartment, RV, dorm, or simply want extra convenience, this list has something for everyone. Let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices, discounts, and more detailed product information. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product kitchen product insights. Product number 1, Hava Countertop Dishwasher. Taking the number 1 spot is the Hava Countertop Dishwasher, one of the most popular portable dishwashers available today. I love its compact design because it fits easily on most kitchen counters while offering surprisingly large capacity for everyday dishes. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in 5-liter water tank, allowing you to use it even without connecting directly to a faucet. It features multiple wash programs, including normal, speed, eco, glass, fruit, and baby care, making it suitable for almost every cleaning task. The high-temperature drying function helps dishes stay clean and odor-free after washing. It also operates quietly, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small homes. If you're searching for a reliable, energy-efficient countertop dishwasher with premium features, the Hava model delivers outstanding cleaning performance, convenience, and excellent overall value for your money. Product number 2, Novet Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Coming in at number 2 is the Novet Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a fantastic option for anyone needing flexibility and powerful cleaning performance. What stands out most is its spacious interior that accommodates more dishes than many competing compact models. The built-in water tank allows installation almost anywhere, while direct faucet connection remains an option for permanent setups. It includes 5 effective wash cycles designed for plates, glasses, baby bottles, fruits, and heavily soiled cookware. Its drying function keeps dishes fresh between uses, reducing moisture buildup. The LED touch controls are simple to navigate, and operation remains impressively quiet throughout each cycle. Whether you're living in a tiny apartment, an RV, or simply need a secondary dishwasher, the Novet combines convenience, efficiency, and dependable performance. It offers an excellent balance between capacity, features, and affordability, making it one of today's best portable countertop dishwashers. Product number 3, Hermit Luxe Countertop Dishwasher. At number 3 is the Hermit Luxe Countertop Dishwasher, an excellent choice for people who want simple installation and reliable everyday cleaning. Its compact footprint fits comfortably into small kitchens without sacrificing washing performance. I appreciate the built-in water tank because it eliminates complicated plumbing during setup. The dishwasher offers several wash programs to handle everything from lightly used dishes to greasy cookware. High-temperature cleaning helps sanitize dishes while effectively removing stubborn food residue. Its intuitive control panel makes selecting wash modes fast and straightforward, even for first-time users. Another advantage is its energy-efficient operation, helping reduce both water and electricity consumption compared to traditional dishwashing. The Hermit Luxe is ideal for singles, couples, students, RV owners, and anyone with limited kitchen space. Overall, it combines convenience, dependable cleaning, and affordable pricing into a compact package that's perfect for daily household use. Product number 4, Midea MDC17P2DWW Countertop Dishwasher. At number 4 is the Midea MDC17P2DWW Countertop Dishwasher, a trusted model from one of the leading appliance manufacturers. This dishwasher offers powerful cleaning with multiple wash cycles designed for everyday kitchen needs. It connects directly to most kitchen faucets, making installation quick and hassle-free. I really like its spacious interior that accommodates plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter, providing more flexibility than many compact competitors. Electronic controls are easy to use, while the stainless steel interior improves durability and long-term performance. Despite its strong cleaning power, the Midea operates efficiently and quietly, making it ideal for apartments and condos. If you prefer a countertop dishwasher from a well-established brand with dependable reliability, solid cleaning performance, and user-friendly controls, the Midea MDC17P2DWW is definitely worth considering for your kitchen. Product number 5, Aramson Portable Countertop Dishwasher. At number 5 is the Aramson Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a stylish and practical solution for compact living spaces. One feature I really appreciate is its modern design, combined with an easy-to-read touch control panel. The built-in water tank offers true portability, allowing you to place the dishwasher almost anywhere without requiring permanent plumbing. It includes multiple cleaning programs, including Eco, Normal, Strong, Glass, and Fruit Wash modes, giving you flexibility for different dishwashing needs. High-temperature cleaning effectively removes grease while helping sanitize dishes and baby bottles. The drying function keeps dishes fresh after every cycle. Aramson also operates quietly, making it suitable for shared apartments, offices, dorm rooms, and RVs. If you're looking for a countertop dishwasher that combines attractive design, efficient cleaning, and convenient portability, this model provides excellent everyday performance at a competitive price.
Product number 6. Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher. Finally, at number 6, we have the Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher, a compact appliance designed for smaller households and limited counter space. Despite its miniature size, it delivers reliable cleaning performance through multiple wash programs tailored for everyday dishes, glasses, utensils, and lightly soiled cookware. The built-in water tank offers convenient placement without requiring permanent faucet installation, making it ideal for apartments, RVs, dormitories, and vacation cabins. Its straightforward controls make operation simple for beginners, while efficient water usage helps lower utility costs compared to hand washing. I also appreciate its quiet operation, allowing it to run comfortably throughout the day without creating unnecessary noise. For shoppers seeking an affordable, space-saving dishwasher that provides dependable cleaning without complicated installation, the Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher remains an excellent entry-level option worth serious consideration. That wraps up my list of the top 6 best countertop dishwashers. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect model for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and product details.